It's a power play because Bic, I mean, have you been to a liquor store or grocery store where you have not seen a
Never
Bic
not
lighter?
seen them. Yeah. So
Yeah.
they're gonna be right
Bic,
next to them.
Bic has 90% market share in around the world, and I think that they just wanted authentic, real grassroots rolling paper brand to maybe even just distribute and maybe have as an item that they can offer to their stores and their accounts. And they have some pretty good fucking accounts, legacy accounts. That's probably pretty difficult to get into.
Distributor accounts that are huge, like, yeah, I know
Yeah,
exactly
and
what you're
so
talking about.
it's a very simple deal, but it's a very powerful deal because I look at them as like one of the staple brands in America, right? Like as human beings, like forget America, around the world. As human beings, there's certain companies that built around the world that touch the whole world. Cookies is one of those companies. No one can take that from me. We touched the whole world. I've seen people from Scotland with our tattoos on their head with our logo. I've met people from Ireland. I met people from, you name it, dude. They're repping Cookie hard.
Yeah.
So I'm like, Bic is one of those companies that touch people around the world, but just killed it in business. And so to be able to align with them with Vibes, which is like the underdog of rolling papers, like it's great.